So if I'm thinking something which is not pleasant, it's going to reach there. Once it reaches there, if you are not aware, you will start creating similar kind of thoughts for me. And then you will start creating that. I will send it there, it created there, conflict. Where's the conflict? Where's the conflict? It's here. How many people are needed to heal this conflict now? How many people are needed to heal that relationship? One. So, never sit with them and say, आओ बैठो रिश्ते को ठीक करते हैं. Because we feel दोनों को बैठना पड़ेगा रिश्ते को ठीक करने के लिए. And sometimes when two people sit to resolve an issue, they bring out so many things. कि बाद में हम कहते हैं छोड़ दो मुझे तो जीवन में इसके बाद आपसे बात नहीं करनी है. Because all that thought process which we didn't even know that they think about us all comes out. So this is not a very good idea to say, come, let's bring out everything of the past and try and resolve it. What will we do by thinking about the past? What will we do by talking about the past? It's gone, it's over, finished. Don't give it so much power. Even if I did not think right for you before, even if you did not think right for me before, even if we did not behave nicely with each other before, we can't do anything today. But today we can decide that from today, my every thought will be right for you. So it's not a very good idea sometimes to, जब गांठ ज़्यादा बन जाती है ना ऐसा, not, don't need to try and open it. आगे चलो. Which doesn't mean रिश्ते को तोड़ो, गांठ को तोड़ के बाहर फेंको. Which means that part is over. You know, like when we are knitting and it gets very knotted, you can't always open it. It's very knotted. And so much effort goes into opening the knot. Easier is to just break that part of the thread and start work again. Why to open it? So it's the past. It must have been deep. If today we decide that from today, my every thought for you is going to be new. I'm not going to bring my past into my present. Relationship is healed. And for which we don't need the other person. We don't need both the people to think nice. We only need one out of the two to think nice. So my relationship is in my control.